The Diagnostics Dashboard's three-state workflow for key content types provides clear, real-time feedback on images and tables that may need review. While many issues are automatically corrected by CodeBOT, certain items still require manual verification. For example, confirming whether images are content-related or decorative, and determining if a table should include a caption. To support this step, the console log now displays review messages with editor line numbers, clearly indicating which items may need user attention. These messages use the same dynamic tracking as error messages to remain accurately linked to their content as the editor is updated. These messages are now fully dismissible, allowing users to remove individual entries once they've been addressed. Each dismissal instantly updates the needs review badge counts in the Diagnostics Dashboard, keeping progress synchronized and transparent. This enhancement delivers a smoother, more intuitive user experience, helping users focus on what truly requires attention while maintaining automated efficiency.